Cloves are flower buds from the clove tree and serve as a versatile spice in many different recipes around the world. However, most people are unaware that cloves are packed with medicinal properties that can provide several positive health benefits for the human body. In fact, some researchers believe that cloves may actually have the ability to treat a toothache. And that is the topic of this video. So, if you're ready, let's get into it. As previously mentioned, cloves are absolutely packed with antioxidants. One study compared the antioxidant capacity of 26 different spices and found that cloves were the most potent. Cloves contain a compound known as eugenol, which researchers believe to be responsible for most of the impressive health benefits. For starters, cloves are also packed with antibacterial properties such as lipids and oleic acid, which have been shown to play an antibacterial role in the human body. In fact, clove essential oil is often used as a mouthwash to treat oral infections. It can be used topically as well due to its ability to kill both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Researchers also believe that eugenol serves as a natural anesthetic, which can reduce the pain that stems from a sore tooth. One study was performed to test the effectiveness of cloves compared to benzocaine, which is a common topical anesthetic used in the dental setting. The results showed that both cloves and benzocaine offered similar pain relief. In addition, clove-based mouthwash contains anti-plaque and anti-gingivitis properties that can inhibit growth of pathogens and provide an overall boost to your dental health. And that's not all, folks. Some other benefits that cloves have to offer include: they help regulate blood sugar levels, promote healthy bones, help with digestion, prevent stomach ulcers, reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, and improve liver health. These are just a few of the many reasons why you can consider adding cloves to your daily regimen. If you want to learn more, check out some of our other videos on this topic. And if you want to support the channel, be sure to like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And there should be some other helpful videos popping up on your screen right about now that I think you will enjoy. And just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. And as always, breathe easy, my friend.